What's the one Haitian thing that you won't eat?
I will
Because
not
I have a list of things
Blé.
I will not. What?
I will not eat blé. I will not eat blé.
Wow. I love blé.
I will not eat blé.
What the hell? What do we call blé in English?
I
We gotta
don't
tell
know.
people what blé is.
I don't know,
what is
but
it
somebody
called?
put in a comment. I don't know. I'm
What is
learning.
blé? What is blé in English, huh? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But we'll find out. We'll
We'll find out.
We'll put
We'll
in
put
a
it in the
comment.
description or
Yeah,
something. I
we'll
don't
put in
know.
a description. Yeah.
But I love blé.
You do? I will eat my moulin à salt before I eat blé.
Yeah, I'll eat my moulin. No
I
problem.
love my moulin. Give me some Zabel Bok.
Yeah, some avocado.
Avocado. Oh, yeah.
What I will not eat is
Mhm.
what I will not eat. You could, I don't know how much money you can give me. Is kalalu, right?
What?
I mean, not
It's
okra.
okra.
Okra is what we call
Bro.
it. I will not.
Oh,
eat.
you would?
I will. It's not the only one. I
I
will
will-
not eat kalalu.
Bro,
I
I
can't
love
do it.
kalalu.
No way.
Is it because of the texture?
Yeah, I can't
The
do
slimy?
it. No, I can't.
Oh, bro, I love kalalu.
I can't do it.
But
That's a
there's
no-no.
two different